Welcome everyone, to our video about Woodside Energy, Australia's largest oil and gas company, and the unrest that is facing them from investors this Friday at their annual general meeting. While traditionally, more eco-conscious investors would welcome commitments from fossil fuel companies, in this case, the Australian Shareholders Association is recommending against the re-election of a long-serving member of Woodside's Sustainability Committee, and two of Europe's largest asset managers are echoing the sentiments. So why the unrest? Well, it all has to do with the objectives set by Woodside, and investors not being convinced that they are both properly designed or achievable. The shareholder advocacy group, ACCR, is saying that Woodside has repeatedly failed in meeting shareholder expectations regarding its climate strategy, and LGM's position lies in its concerns around the company's lack of commitment to aligning with the Paris objectives and net zero. Most of the disquiet is linked to Woodside's refusal to set Scope 3 targets, which would refer to the emissions produced by the burning of their oil and gas products, something fossil fuel companies need to be taking into account. On top of this, climate activist group, Market Forces, is forecasting that Woodside's oil and gas projects will result in a 40% increase in total emissions from 2022 to 2027. While Woodside is investing $5 billion in new energy products such as hydrogen and ammonia, this amount is dwarfed by what is being invested in expanding their oil and gas operations. So those are the facts. But what hope is there of some kind of resolution? Clouding the path ahead is the fact that Woodside investors have endured a long period of underperformance, and are not happy with a remuneration structure that isn't linked closely to the recovery of the share price. Even if the Australian Shareholders Association is supporting the company's director nominations and remuneration report, the tension appears to still be rising. As we await the outcome of the AGM this Friday, one thing remains clear: Woodside, and other companies like it, need to turn their environmental plans into reality, or risk investor revolt in the future. This is a pivotal moment in the fight against climate change, with fossil fuel companies needing to demonstrate they are prepared to take the necessary steps to succeed in the new energy future. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe in order to stay up to date with any new developments in this story.